Organize stuffed animals and other children's toys with this pink, mesh toy hammock. Eliminates bedroom, playroom, and bathtub clutter while neatly organizing toys. Looks great with any decor and easy to attach to any wall with the hook hardware included. The elastic binding can expand up to 5.5 feet in a corner or any convenient spot along a wall. Depending on the size of the items, the toy hammock can accommodate 30 or more stuffed animals. Top reviews from the United States. Needed some storage for my stuffed animals since I live in a small apartment. This is affordable and worth the money. I installed it quickly, and it seems pretty sturdy, like it won't fall down. Fits a decent amount. I could fit more, but I like how it looks so you can see them all. Would buy again.